Filecoin price prediction as FIL becomes best performing coin on the market. What's going on? Simon Chandler last updated February 20, 2024 at 13:55 GMT plus 23 min read. Source, Midjourney. The Filecoin price has jumped by 16% in the past 24 hours, surging to $7.68 amid a sudden growth in trading volume yesterday. FIL is now up by 38% in a week and by 52% in the past fortnight, yet the coin actually remains down by 10% in the last 12 months. This annual decline suggests that FIL has just begun making up for lost time, with today's rally potentially the beginning of a long overdue recovery for the altcoin. Filecoin price prediction as FIL becomes best performing coin on the market. What's going on? Filecoin's chart reveals that the coin is dangerously close to overbought territory, meaning that it may suffer a dip in the next few days. For now, its relative strength index purple has reached 80 today, indicating very strong buying pressure. Likewise, FIL's 30-day moving average yellow is now rising almost vertically after declining for almost a month up until a week ago. This bullish reversal suggests that the coin has entered a bullish, expansionary phase, and that even if it does correct in the next 1 or 2 days, it may maintain considerable medium and long-term momentum. There's one very clear reason as to why Filecoin has rallied in the past couple of days, which is that Solana has integrated with Filecoin's decentralized file storage network. The above integration means that Solana is storing its ledger/block history on Filecoin, a move which provides a strong advertisement of the latter's capabilities. This news has provided the short-term catalyst for a long overdue recovery for the Filecoin price, which actually remains down by 96% compared to its all-time high of $236 set in April 2021. So even though FIL's indicators suggest that it could correct in the next 1 or 2 days, it still has massive amounts of space to rise given the longer-term decline it has suffered. And given the fundamental utility and value of a decentralized storage network, it's very likely that FIL will continue to make considerable gains over the course of 2024. Combined with growing market-wide bullishness which stems from Bitcoin ETF mania, the Filecoin price could reach $20 in the next few months. Alternative alts with strong rally potentially. FIL isn't the only promising altcoin that, starting from a relatively low and undervalued base, could rally big this year. There are also a variety of newer alts that look ready to rally big on the back of new exchange listings, with the best of these alts also combining bullish fundamentals. For example, Sponge is an ERC20 cryptocurrency that has recently launched the second version of its popular SpongeBob-themed token. It has risen by just over 130% since listing on Uniswap a couple of weeks ago, with its price likely to rise higher as more platforms list it. SpongeVitwo took over from its predecessor for a couple of main reasons, with the first being that it introduces a new staking model. It offers a minimum staking yield of 40% APY, which rate can increase if holders keep their SpongeVitwo staked for longer, with a maximum period of 4 years. The SpongeVitwo yield has actually risen to reach triple figures in recent weeks, with the latest recorded rate being 245%. Higher staking rates tend to be bullish insofar as they encourage more staking, which reduces a coin's circulating supply. In turn, this can boost its price, and what's exciting about SpongeVitwo is that it boasts another fundamental reason to own it. Namely, it will be the native token of an upcoming Pitwo racing game, which will enable players to compete against each and earn Sponge tokens. Investors can buy SpongeVitwo now by going to the official Sponge website, where investors have staked just over $10 million in Sponge. Buy SpongeVitwo here. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.